Hello there. Stormy weather expected to dominate headlines, I suspect, across North America over the next few days, all because of low pressure. It's this frontal system as it pushes its way steadily eastwards. We've got some very warm, humid air down across the southeast, and that could trigger off some sharp, thundery downpours. Some heavy rain moving its way across the Great Lakes up into eastern Canada, but then it's the trailing front that will start to see some showers developing. Some of them heavy with hail, with thunder, possibly some tornadic activity throughout the day. Now, along the west coast as well, we've got some unsettled weather. This time the emphasis is across British Columbia. Yes, there will be some snow on the leading edge. We've got rain down close to the coast. It's a slightly quieter story across California after that very unsettled weekend, but it is still on the cool side. So let's take a look at the weather then. San Francisco into the mid 60s over the next few days. That's a little disappointing, and still some rain into Vancouver, turning showery by the middle part of the week. So some heavier rain impacting Montreal and Toronto. Behind my head you can see the potential for those sharp showers to develop, the brighter colours denoting the intensity of the showers. But to the south and east, it's all about the sunshine, it's all about the heat really. So let's take a look at city forecast. Kansas, well, the possibility for some tornadic activity. Orlando stays in the mid 80s. Hello there. Let's take a look at the weather story across South America. And if we start off with a pressure chart, you can actually see where the low pressure and the sharper showers sit, largely across the Amazon basin. But this low pressure here is going to bring some heavy rain across parts of Argentina and into Paraguay over the next few days. At the same time, it's very windy down to the south. Now, it is quite windy regularly, but it is very windy, and we are likely to see some heavy rain and some mountain snow. So the story then further north, we're likely to see sharper showers through Venezuela, French Guiana, across northern parts of Brazil. Not looking too bad through central and southern areas of Brazil. Look at the intense, brighter colours, though, across northern Argentina. Some of that rain really quite heavy indeed. So the scenario over the next few days then, Caracas will stay quite unsettled, but Rio seeing some sunnier weather. However, Buenos Aires seeing some pretty intense rain through the middle part of the week. A quiet story across much of Mexico, down through the Yucatan Peninsula, and really only the sharper showers down through Costa Rica and Panama. Now, across the Caribbean, it's looking fine and quiet across Cuba, Jamaica, but we will see some heavier showers across Haiti, Dominican Republic, and perhaps the Virgin Isles and the Leeward Isles as well. So this is a story then over the next few days. Sunny spells and scattered showers set to return later in the week.